Hi Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for end of February 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you Gemini, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Gemini, so let's look at into the energy between you and your person on your soulmate and twin flame connection for end of February 2021. So let's see what we have as the mutual, and oh wow, look at this. I've got the loving man coming up for you here Gemini. Let's see what your energy here. Also Gemini, please note that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you Gemini, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's look at into your person energy here, Gemini. Okay, so looking at the sign here, I'm getting a very strong fire energy, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius. I'm getting a very strong water energy coming up here as well, Gemini. So Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, especially Pisces here. And I've also gotten the Taurus energy coming up here as well. So Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. On this side here is your energy Gemini, and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now looking at your energy first here Gemini, I've got the Temperance energy coming up here, and then I've got the Six of Wands. It's quite interesting here. The main message that I've got for you here is that finally all this waiting period, finally all this patience that like you've been waiting patiently, you have been trusting onto the divine, trusting God, universe. You've been grounded in your true faith, I would say here Gemini, and finally your faith is going to give you the victorious outcome, and finally you're going to come out of this waiting period victoriously and positively here. Like this is like finally a new rebirth and a new transformational energy coming up for you here. Look at this, I've got the Death card, and then I've got the Sun card coming up here as well. So this is like basically talking about a very strong ultimate happiness energy here. I do feel like some of you here have been in separation for 6 months, 6 years, the month of June, because I've got the number 6 coming up quite significantly here. So like you've been in separation for quite a long time Gemini, and you have been patient for quite a long time, I would say here, because all of this up and down energy, all of this like waiting period, back and forth energy here, and you kind of like already gone through almost like a hell. You kind of like already gone through a hell of like a hell of lesson, I would say here Gemini, and then you're coming and you're definitely coming out of this victoriously, coming out of this positively here, especially with this Six of Wands energy coming up here. You are the one who is actually the winner here Gemini. So this is definitely a wonderful energy coming up here, especially with the overall energy that I've got between you and your person. I've got commitment. So what kind of victory that you have here? Commitment. You're finally going to get that commitment that you deserve, a long-lasting relationship, a stable commitment with your person here. So a very strong union energy is coming up strongly here with you and your person. And then I've got the optimism energy coming up here as well. So what I would suggest you at this point of time, I don't think that some of you here could also have been communicating with your person. Some of you here have been have been communicating back and forth with your person. If you haven't communicated with your person, I feel like by the moment that we are coming out of this Mercury retrograde season, which is like February 21st, so by the end of this month you're also going to start communicating with your person. And the moment that you're starting to communicate with your person here, you're going to see a massive changes coming up for you and coming up for your person here Gemini, where both of you are finally going to going to be in that committed relationship. You're finally going to be in that union energy is what I'm getting for you here. So wow, definitely wonderful energy, because this is like basically talking about years of patience, years of being grounded in faith, years of like back and forth energy that that emotional turmoil within yourself, I would say here, Gemini, and everything is coming up to the end because you're also going through a massive rebirth process. And with your person energy coming up here, with this loving man energy here as the mutual energy between both of you, this is also talking about that your person also has gone through a massive transformation within themselves here as well. The loving man, the gender does not matter, female or male here. This is basically talking that your person has been integrating, or at least your person has been working on themselves to be integrating, or at least like to come to the point where they are getting close with the divine masculine or divine feminine energy coming up here. Like they are going to do all the work to be integrating with their own higher self, I would say here, Gemini. Now looking at your person energy coming up here, I've got the High Priest coming up here, and then I've got the Eight of Swords energy coming up here. So this is going to be for a very specific group of people, I would say here. With this Eight of Swords energy and the High Priest, I feel like a specific group of you here, Gemini, your person is currently stuck in a marriage in a marriage situation, or in some kind of like in a relationship. So like in a third party situation, or in a karmic situation at this point of time, but they're finally breaking free from all of those issues here. They're finally breaking free from all of this karmic situation, from all of these traditional issues within themselves is what I'm getting here, Gemini. So with this Eight of Swords energy and the High Priestess, they're finally doing things. They're finally like working on themselves to be breaking, to actually like break free from all of this karmic situation, to break free from all of this mental and emotional trap that they've been putting themselves for years, I would say here. And what do they bring? By the time that they're basically letting go of all of this feeling trap energy, what is it that they're going to get here? I've got the Queen of Cups energy, being free. Especially when it comes into the emotion, they're finally being emotionally free here. As you might have noticed, in the past, your person tend to be someone who kind of like putting everything within themselves, cannot expressing their emotion, especially here. So I feel like the moment that they're breaking free from all of this, like a stuck energy, the moment that they're breaking free from all of this stuck and trapped energy within themselves, they are also going to be free emotionally here. And the moment that they're free emotionally here, this is the time that they're actually going to pursue you here, because there are no more hide and seek, there are no more back and forth energy here, because they themselves mentally and emotionally are actually already in balance. The moment that they're being in balance within themselves here, this is when they finally becoming one with their higher self, or integrating with their higher self here. And this is when they're going to offer you the commitment that you deserve here, Gemini. So definitely a wonderful energy with this commitment here. Both of you are definitely going to be in a happy and successful union here, Gemini. All of this waiting period, all of this like being patient and being grounded in faith, you're finally going to achieve the outcome that you desire here, Gemini. So congratulations for that, and thank you so much for tuning in. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.